How to make run cron on OSX 10.6.2. Note, this question is not about how to edit cron tab but how to make cron work. I edited my cron using env-editor equals Joe cron tab e. I entered 1 echo test is greater than break time equals 1 / dot text, and it does nothing although the cron is set up correctly. Checked via Cronix and viewed the cron in /var/cron/tabs. Editing cron tab using Cronix gives me the same results. If I run echo test is greater than dot text manually, it creates a files as expected, so I assume that the command I provide to cron is correct one. Is there anything special I have to do to make cron work on OSX? How can I check it that the cron is running? What's the equivalent of /var/log/messages on OSX? I can see in messages on SUSE that cron works.
The cron utility is launched when it sees the existence of /etc/crontab or files in. There should be no need to start it manually. See the man pages. To see logs of OSX, you can use console utility.
Two other ways are to use or. These both run every minute.
I doubt you waited until 1 minute past the hour for your test. To run every minute.
First, you need to set your $editor variable to something reasonable, since what you did set it to something you don't want. Set it like this. You can change Joe to another text editor, such as Nano or Vim. Then, you'll want to edit your cron tab, which is done like so. Then you'll put in the text for cron to use.
If you want to use cron on Mountain Lion, you should take a look here, this URL, or just open terminal and run sudo touch /etc/cron tab. After that your job's in. Should be handled by cron.
This is so funny.